met with an accident. Shit. I think it's touching the engine. There's a fuel leakage from here when we fell. I'm not sure how. Oh, you want to do?
Touch it. Touch it.
Really?
Yeah.
You dare? What will you give me if you touch?
Touch.
Oh my god! Ah.
The hotel is okay. It's not very great. It's a budget hotel, obviously, so you can't expect anything great. But there are some good hotels in this area when compared to Lachen on the beach.
Where are we going today?
We are going to Lachung.
Yes, we are going to Lachung, and yesterday something happened with the bike which we did not show in last video, so we'll talk about it in this video. First time in the ride, I dropped my bike. We met with an accident. Shit. I think it's touching the engine. Not sure how it is affecting. It's kid and fire, and we were in medium speed, not even medium, we were in very low speed, around 15 km per hour, 20 km per hour. Correct?
Yes.
And there was a stone on this side of the bike. Okay, so I wanted to go on top of it, and there was a stone behind also, because it was a road was not that good. I wanted to go top of it, but my tire did not grip and it slided, and my handle became like this. I lost control. We just fell on the side, and nothing happened to us. There was a army truck behind, and we could not shoot all those moments because it was no photography zone, because it's just in near the checkpost. We fell. So this one got bent completely. As you can see, this was touching the engine, and then this one I just removed. This broke. I don't know how it broke. So you can see this is the impact, and there was a stone here, like right here, and then it suddenly fell. All the weight was put here, so it got bent. See, this got bent, and there's a fuel leakage from here when we fell. I'm not sure how, but I need to check once I'm back to Gangtok or Siliguri or Darjeeling. I don't know. I have to check, and I have to remove this because this is kind of hurting my leg. So this is our riding setup. There's a top box, 2 saddlebags, and there will be a tank bag here. That's about it. Then there's one small waterproof baggage I'll put here, which has some like food, etc. That's about it. I'll make a detailed video on this very soon, when we reach after we reach Pelling or Darjeeling, not sure when. So stay tuned and do subscribe to our channel. Let's move forward. So we thought we places to cover on the way to Lachen to Lachung. You can see there are plenty of falls like this. You can see it, plain water, whatever you want to do.
Touch it. Touch it.
Really?
Yeah.
You dare? What will you give me if you touch? Huh?
Touch.
Oh my god! Ah! It's so cold. My god, it's so cold. Waterfall number 3 and a bit of water crossing. Okay. I think this girl will make us late. Oh, if we stop like this every 5 minutes. Oh, I forgot you can hear me. It's blocked again here. See, they are doing demo work. Okay, we are through now. It took almost around 40 minutes. 40 minutes we were just waiting there. So let's proceed.
Stop there, not there. It's so beautiful.
If we stop like this, then we will never reach our destination because this is Sikkim and so beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, every point over here, guys, it's so beautiful that I feel like stopping.
And we did stop at this waterfall. This is called Amitabh Bachchan Waterfall. The falls has got its name because of its height, and it's one of the tallest falls in this region in North Sikkim. It's famous tourist spot on the road connecting from Chungthang to Yamthang Valley in Lachung. The real name of this waterfalls is Bhewma waterfall.
We have made it to Lachung. It was difficult finding this hotel because the Google Map location was not right, and the hotel is okay. It's not very great. It's a budget hotel, obviously, so you can't expect anything great. But there are some good hotels in this area when compared to Lachen. On the way, we saw some nice hotels, so maybe we should have gone for that. If you guys subscribe to our channel, and maybe we can go there next time.
This is little bigger village than Lachen. Here there are some repair shops, some hotels, nicer hotels, some greater food available. It's not like Lachen. Lachen there was nothing. There was not even a puncture shop. Here there are lot more. There is one garage also in Lachung. Also one more thing, here in the hill station in Lachung, we found lot of shops selling alcohol, many whiskey. You name it, it's there everywhere. It's there, like in small shop it's there, but water bottle is not there. I am little surprised about that. Literally, like I was expecting at least water bottle would be there, but water bottle was not there. So being said that, it's time to end the vlog. Next vlog is going to be of 0 point, and here there is someone to tell bye bye. Bye bye guys. So see you in the next vlog. We heard there's a lot of snowfall already happening, so we are really excited, and this time probably we'll be well prepared. So let's see you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.